Have you ever asked yourself which are the best Chinese instant noodles in the world? We're going to find out in this episode. Did you ever ask yourself which are the best Chinese instant noodles? You go to the market and you find yourself between the aisles. You see all these kind of designs, signs, colors. You wonder, which should I pick? This one, that one, I have no idea. Even if you speak Chinese and you understand the characters, the question is, does this taste different or they just look different? We're going to find out all of this in this episode in I Want to Eat Chinese noodles. And I know it in Chinese. 我要吃所有方便面。I think I put the blue one already. Which are the best Chinese noodles? Yay, I got the taxi ride. Time to 试试 water, the main ingredient of this recipe. So, I'm going to start. The first criteria in choosing noodles when I got in the market is the price. For me, this looks the best. We send it to the kitchen. Kitchen. Oh yeah, my first noodles of the test. What the kitchen? Guys, how can you eat this? First of all, you have to teach the chef how to cook the instant noodles. Real beef. It tastes like a real pasta. Bit of smell of garlic. Doesn't smell very good. This is very plain. I think this is vegetarian. This will give it to David. Oh, this has a Korean flag. Smells like red pepper. This is like seafood flavor. Nasty seafood flavor. Wow, this smells so good. This is kind of nice vegetarian noodle. This is middle. I expect it to be worse, but... Borscht noodle. This is kind of similarity to Eastern Europe, Hungarian flavor. I like borscht, guys. I miss Europe. Premium. This is premium. This is premium. The meat is sweet. Wow, smells garlic. I love garlic. So. This looks very cheap. There's these two shrimps here. Between medium and very bad. Oh, small one is coming. Wow. This tastes like my grandma broth. This looks very nasty. This looks very nasty. Wow. Oh. The worst one here? Yeah. This really smells seafood. If you like seafood noodles, this I think is amazing. Premium. Yeah. This hydrated peas tastes terrible. This will help me out to reach to the end. Oh, I'm scared. Just look at this. Oh, this looks so oily. Should I really eat? Can I refuse some of them? No. Halfway, I feel full. I feel already full. Paula, I really can feel the difference. Tasting all of them in a row. Some of them are really disgusting. Just by the smell, you know. Guys, who knows what is this yellow stuff? Please text us. We have no idea. We see it in many noodles.
Eggs, I think.
Eggs?
Fried eggs, I would guess.
You guess, but you're not sure.
No, I think so.
You can't say so.
I think so.
This smells disgusting. Next. My question, do they really use real meat? This is the one the girl that say it's very delicious. It's okay. It's nice. No, it's okay. Oh, this looks so... Look, this looks like shit, man.
Important's what it tastes like, right?
This looks very cool. This design, it's amazing.
Yeah. Spicy one?
Yeah. This is spicy. It's nice, but it's not the best.
I put a little bit extra of this in there.
Bastardo! That's why I was like, what the fuck? Man, big green. Okay, this looks like very... interesting. Again, our yellow friends.
Hey.
Oh, they're not far from the end. Oh man, look at this. This looks so artificial. These look like drawings, like chewing gums.
Anime.
Ah man, I found out what is the yellow. It's a corn. This smells like all the others before. Next. This cup, it looks like you must eat it. It's very healthy. It has this and meat and egg and this the yellow shit. This is the right calories you need for your body. It looks like that, man. Oh. Okay,
Bad? Spit it out. What was it?
This. Guys, finally we finished 51 cups of noodles to taste today, and a general conclusion is Subdarren are probably the best noodles I tried today. Okay, the top 3. I will go with, yeah, this one. I love it. The beef flavor of this one, it's amazing. Then I will go with, yeah, the miso noodle. Miso noodle was very, very, very nice. Miso noodle, second place, delicious. And the winner is Borscht Noodle by Subdarren again. I think for me, for my flavor and my personal taste, that was the best. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find your own best noodles, but trust me, we tried 51 cups and more or less you won't fail if you try all of those. If you like seafood, you have also some options from this brand probably. And the other brand, I think you've seen it, some of them they are terrible. I think I won't buy it again even if I'm starving. And same as always, it's me. Another 25, man. Fuck.
I'm already stuffed. I feel, I feel like a pig, when you fill it with things and they put it to the barbecue.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Strong. No, too slow. Quiet, porco dio. Quiet, please. Quiet. Ah, 漂亮。